Hi. What is Enterprise Resource Planning? ERP is a software that helps organizations in managing their day-to-day operations in various departments like sales and marketing, purchase and vendor management, stores and material management, production and planning department, quality and inspection department, finance, accounts and human resources departments. simpliRP ERP is the simple, robust and economical ERP for MSME and SME. Why simpliRP ERP? Simple, robust and economical. End-to-end process compliances and item traceability. Covers length and breadth of organization's process. Fast processing. Thank you.